It's always difficult to predict what the market will be, but what we can state is that 2023 has been a very rich and diversified year. We started with a low volume of activity in the beginning of the years, and it started to pick up. And actually, September and October were brilliant months with a lot of big deals, such as the big oil deals, the mega deal, for example, the 60 billion USD deal between Pioneer and Exxon. And so it has been a lot of activity during September, October. November has been a little bit more quiet, but you know, last week we had this nice deal between Immunogen and AbbVie for 10 billion in the cancer biotech space. So it's always hard to know what will be 2024, but we can expect a lot of activity in biotech sector. Well, actually, the activity to continue. We would also expect LBO activity to pick up because we know they are really rich.
Yeah, well, actually, I do want to mention to viewers that, of course, your background is in merger arbitrage. So you did mention some of the deals, the M&A deals that have been taking place the last couple of months. Let me ask you, to what extent are these deals contingent on the stock market continuing to rally from here onwards and on the successful listing environment? Because so far, the listing environment has not been very favorable.
So the good point on merger arbitrage strategy is that it's completely decorrelated from the main asset classes. What you need is you don't need actually market to increase or to have a huge M&A activity. What we need is sort of the ability to see forward what can happen. We need stability, I would say, and the environment of sharply increasing interest rate in 2022 has been a bit challenging for M&A, but now the interest rates are, I would say, stabilized at a normal level, and that's not an issue anymore for M&A. And you have to keep in mind that actually the performance of a merger arb strategy is positively correlated to interest rate, because the risk arb performance depend on or the risk arb spread is composed of both the carry, so basically that's the interest rate, the cash interest rate, plus the risk premium, and 2023 has seen the increase in risk premium in all the asset classes and in merger arb. So we call that complexity premium, and the complexity premium is back, which is a very good news.
Yeah, for anyone